Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a huge reset because one, it's the new year. Two, I have some stuff to declutter, which is exciting because I love decluttering. And two, we are going to put Christmas away and deep clean because we've been dog sitting for 15 days and she gets to go home today. I don't know if you can see her. We're so excited to get everything nice and clean and smelling fresh again. So I'm excited to get started. So I hope you enjoy this little reset video and maybe do some cleaning and resetting with me. Let's go. I already started in the kitchen. I did all the dishes just now. That needs to be washed. These need to be washed as well, but the sink is clean. That needs to dry. All the counters are clean. Stove is clean. And the microwave is clean. So let's keep going. about 2.5 hours in, and I am starting to get tired. I cleaned the kitchen and then kind of made a circle, so I went towards my desk area, our coffee station, then the Christmas stuff and the cabinets, and then the bar cart, and all of that's clean. We just need to vacuum, deep clean the couch, and then also work on the bedroom and then the bathroom, and then we're done. Don't know if we're gonna get to all of it today because we're already tired and it's been so much, but it already feels so much better in here. It smells better. It doesn't smell like dogs anymore. Gonna keep going a little bit and then we might take a lunch break. I was about to start cleaning the bathroom and then the washer went off. Now that the washer is done, gonna strip the bed because that needs to be washed too. I paused and took a nice hot shower. I feel so refreshed now, and I was about to go vacuum and mop, but my partner is actually doing it right now, so I don't have to do it, which is so nice. But after that, it's just basically the bedroom that needs to be tidied up and wait for the washing machine to be done. And I think that's pretty much it. 4 hours of cleaning with 2 people. I can't imagine doing all this by myself. So glad I have help. I do want to share with you what I am decluttering, but I think I'll do that another day because I'm exhausted. So. So this is what we're decluttering. From the bar cart, getting rid of these 2 Moscow mules. I accidentally put these in the dishwasher, and so they're not in great condition anymore. These, I thrifted these a while back, and it turns out we didn't really enjoy using these. We will use any other glasses that we have and just skip over these just because it doesn't hold much and it's just a weird shape. I don't know. And then Christmas-wise, getting rid of these little iridescent trees. I got these from the Target dollar spot several years ago, and I'm okay with letting those go. Plus, I have this big old bag that I've been accumulating things in for a few months. So let's go through it all really quick. I got these books from a local little library. I read this one and I liked it, but I'm gonna put it back. Also, this is going to be a Netflix movie coming out soon, so excited to see it. And then some children's books. My dog got some supplements. Unfortunately, they have chicken in them and she's allergic, so gonna give these to my Buy Nothing group. Maybe someone will take them. This was an impulse purchase a couple years ago. It's the like little squiggly mirror thing. I got this from Daiso and I bought it because I saw everyone on social media had this thing. So I purchased it and it's just sitting here collecting dust. This is a HDMI cable and adapter thing that I don't use or need. I decluttered these last time in my last video and I found more of these hangers that I did not like at all, so getting rid of those as well. These sunglasses and this electric toothbrush. I got a new one for myself this Christmas, so don't need that. Getting rid of bathing suit, a face mask, this flannel, bathing suit bottoms. These leggings have a hole in them, which is sad because these were so comfy and one of my favorites. I also got myself new sports bras, so gonna get rid of this one. I actually got this from my Buy Nothing group a while back, so maybe someone else will want that. And then a couple of shirts that I no longer love. And then a couple of these reusable tote bags. I feel like whenever I go somewhere and they're giving out free samples, almost always someone's giving away these like canvas tote bags and I don't need any more. I have plenty of bags, so donating these. This is like a little Christmas frame. It's super tiny. I never found a picture for this. It's just been sitting here for years. I'm not gonna use it. Also getting rid of this candle holder. It looks like this is from Bath & Body Works from a while ago. Also got this from my Buy Nothing group and I've used it for about 3 years or so and I'm ready to let this go. Also, my slippers are really bad in the inside. They are ripping and falling apart, not comfortable, so gonna throw these out. And I got new slippers for Christmas, so. And then everything else in the bag is actually my partner's stuff. He also did some decluttering, so he's letting go of his stuff, which I'm not gonna go through. And that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you soon.